It's okay, I'm used to it by now. The odd-shaped one left in the bottom of the tray. Nothing special to attract you, no way. No straight edges, just bumps and curves and disarray. And there I am, gathering dust once more. The others vibrant, colors galore. A disco